Hey, what's happening, Silver Fox Nation? It's Silver Fox here. Hey, it's your boy. I'm still sick, and guess what? It's snowing today, but I gotta do an oil change. Gotta save $70. I got $30 in parts here. I got my oil filter over there. In case you wonder what it is, it's a Mobil 1 M1C 154A. And there's my tools there. And I bought this back before it got expensive. I paid about 18 bucks for this. It's a 6-quart 0W20 full synthetic. The only problem is it has no like pouring, like it just tells you what 2 quarts is. So what I do is I fill it into here, and I need 4.4 quarts, but I just do 4.5. Because a little bit extra doesn't hurt, because we burn a little bit anyways. But there's, it says quart down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I pour it in, and then I measure a half a quart off of here. So that's how I do it. It's about 28 degrees, so I got my muck, or these called Arctic Sports on. I got a couple double sweatshirts here. Obviously this is my dirty clothes, and then for low insulation I'm gonna lay on this. I might, and it's just a bit of cardboard to lay on, better than the concrete. Maybe I'll try to find my wife's old yoga mat, and that might be a little bit more comfortable and insulating. But guys, you gotta grind to save money out here, and I'm saving 70 bucks freezing my you know what off. So give me some street credit, give me some love, encouragement. Do what you gotta do. We'll talk to you on the next one. I'm out here saving money. You too. Peace.